Itch in my hand, grease on my boots. Today in the life ain't no substitute. I'm a Ford senior master automotive technician. Fixing engines, it's my addiction. Driving the workshop covered in grime, diagnosing problems one at a time. Spark plugs to transmissions. I've seen it all. Get your car running, no matter how small. Underneath the hood, I find my peace. Wrenches and sockets, my release. From carburetors to fuel injection, I'm the troubleshooter, no exception. In this garage, I dance with steel. A Ford senior master, that's the real deal. Beneath the chassis, I find my soul. Torque wrench humming my heart's control. From timing belts to worn-out clutches, I'm the troubleshooter, no excuses. In this garage, I weave my tale. Ford senior master riding the trail. In this workshop's twilight, I find my home. Spanners and sockets where dreams roam. From carburetors to worn-out clutches, I'm the troubleshooter, no excuses. In this garage, I weave my tale. The Ford senior master riding the trail. In this workshop,